guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a diamond origami. So let's get started. First, you'll need a 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters sheet of paper. Now fold it in half diagonally and do the opposite side as well. Now fold it in half and fold it in half again. So this is how it's supposed to look like, or like the folds. So now fold the corners towards the center, like we do for the 4 cups origami game. Now this is how it's supposed to look like. Now unfold the folds, and this is the tricky part because I found it quite hard to fold this because the paper I used was pretty thick. It doesn't matter which type of paper you use, but I just had this in handy, so I used this paper. Now, I don't know how to describe this fold, but just fold it like I did in the video. Now unfold it and fold all the corners like that, which you'll end up something like this. Now press or pinch the middle corners together and do it for all the sides. And it might look like a flower, but this is how it's supposed to look like. Now slowly press or pull the corners together, and you can see it automatically forms a diamond. There we go. There are only some folds you have to do and you'll end up with a diamond. This origami is super easy and super fun to make because you don't need a lot of maybe tools or special paper. You just need to know how to do some folds. Now glue the parts that I'm pointing to. The paper was quite sticky, so I was being careful because I didn't want glue on my hands. Now slowly press or pull it together, and there we go. We have our diamond. This craft is super easy. You can make it at any time, and I made a few more as well because I thought it was super fun. I made red, blue, and yellow. So hope you guys like this origami and hope you guys will try it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye!